Hello guys, I am Sunil and this is MS Classes. So guys, welcome to MS Classes. So today my topic is question number 7, exercise 4.3, linear equation in two variable, class 9. So guys, this is very important question. The question is, Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9, together contributed rupees 100 toward the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Write a linear equation which satisfy the data and you have to draw the graph. So guys, here we have two girls, दो लड़कियां हैं जिन्होंने पैसे कलेक्ट किए हैं और दोनों के पैसे मिला के होते हैं 100 रुपीज, राइट। हमें एक लीनियर इक्वेशन बनानी है इससे और उस लीनियर इक्वेशन से तैयार करना है एक ग्राफ। सो वी हैव टू गर्ल्स ऑफ क्लास 9, दे कंट्रीब्यूटेड इन प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड, that is 100 rupees. We make a graph from the linear equation. So assume that our solution is, let the contribution of Yamini is equal to rupees X and contribution of Fatima is rupees Y. Why? You know the total contribution is rupees 100. Total contribution is rupees 100. So guys, according to question, your linear equation is sum. There is a sum of contribution of two girls. This is X plus Y and total contribution is 100. So guys, this is the equation we have to make. So this is equation number 1. Now we have to find out the solution of this equation and after that we make the graph from the solution. So guys, if this type of question, you have to take X on left side and other all things on a right side. So we have X is equal to 100, Y goes toward right side, become negative, right? So this is equation number 2. Assume this is equation number 2. Put Y is equal to, if we take Y is equal to 100, then X is equal to 0. Then equation second become X is equal to 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore X comma Y, your coordinate is 0 comma 100. Now guys, this is very important question. Put Y is equal to, now if Y is equal to 0, in equation second we get X is equal to 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. Therefore X comma Y is equal to 100 comma 0. Guys, this type of questions are very easy. You have to make only two coordinate. In first coordinate 1 comma something and in second 1 comma something and in second coordinate something comma, like this, 0 comma something and something comma 0. So this is very easy. So 0 comma 100 and 100 comma 0. This is the coordinate. So we have to make a chart. We have only two values of X and Y. Your first is 0 comma 100, this is first coordinate. second is 100 comma 0. So guys, we have these two coordinates from the linear equation x plus y is equal to 100. Now we have to make a Cartesian plane, and on the Cartesian plane we have to plot the graph. So this your Cartesian plane is you need only first coordinate. So this is our x axis, this is our minus x, this is y, this is minus y. Right. Now guys, now we put the points. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All will be at equal distance. So minus 1, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All will be positive. We write this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Right? In downward minus 10, left side minus 10. So your first coordinate is x 0, 100. So x is 0 and y is 100. This is a 0, 100. Your a coordinate. And second is 100, 0. Your x is 100 and y is a 0. So 100, 0. This is b coordinate. Now we will join the points. Now you see, when I join these 2 points, and we get a line which passes through both coordinate a and b. Your a coordinate is 0, 100 and b coordinate is 100, 0. And this is equation x plus y is equal to 100, and equation comes from the contribution of Yamini and Fatima. Right. So guys, your origin will be represented by 0. Now this is the question you have to solve on the notebook or graph paper. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic. This is our exercise 4.3 and our next exercise is 4.4. That is our last exercise. And I hope you will solve the all question at your home on the graph paper or notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.